painting was created by an artist called Vincent van Gogh.
I like the flowers. Are they roses?
No, Mikey, the painting is called Sunflowers.
They don't smell like flowers.
It's paint.
They still look pretty.
They certainly do. This is a famous painting called the Hay Wain.
The horse and cart is in the river.
Yes, that's a farmer, and he's taking his crops across the water to another field. This painting was done by a British artist called John Constable.
Wow, I really feel like I'm right there in the painting.
Good art will do that to you, Mikey. It transports you away to the scene.
Oh, look, there's a dog too.
Come along to the next room. This painting is called Ballet Rehearsal on Stage.
What's ballet?
A type of dancing. This was painted by French artist Degas.
Look at all those ladies on stage in their pretty dresses.
That's right, they are practicing their dancing.
Wow, I feel like I'm really there again.
Now let's transport and go get some ice cream.